Good morning, everyone. Monthly bulletin report for the month of November 2024. Karnataka Rajyotsava Day celebration. Karnataka Rajyotsava Day was celebrated in our school, KLE Srimati Malutai Shivaputra Shirkoli School, by the masters and the members of Blue House on the bright and sunny morning of November 1st, 2024. The celebration began with the flag hoisting, followed by the national anthem, state anthem, and Raita Gite. The students showcased their talent and exhibited their love for their beloved state Karnataka by participating enthusiastically in the celebration. There was a melodious song Hachyavu Kannadada Deepa and an informative speech by Ms. Tanishka Desai from 6th grade. The members of the Blue House uplifted everyone's mood by spreading the fragrance of Kannada language and dance forms with their spectacular dance performance which left the audience spellbound. Mrs. Savita Tongle ma'am was called upon to address the students, emphasizing the importance of loving and respecting their mother tongue, learning it to perfection and not forgetting in their life. The chief guest, Professor L.V. Patil sir, presented a picture of unification of Karnataka. Mr. Akbar Sanadi sir, who arrived as an specially invited guest, gave an opportunity to the children to experience the Saraswat world by reciting his own poem. Dr. C.B. Patil sir, in his presidential address, remembered a great man who had built Kannada nation and hoped that the youth would move towards acquiring Kannada skills and techniques. The entire event generated a sense of pride in every children's mind. The students of pride to the state, of pride to the culture which is so rich and vibrant. Foundation Day celebration. KLE Foundation Day celebration of the 109 KLE Society was celebrated in our school. The masters and the members of Greenhouse paid tribute to the Saptarishis and the founders of KLE Society. A lively program was organized by the Greenhouse. Sri Santosh Patil sir, the principal of BCA College Sankeshwar, addressed the packed audience and emphasized the importance of fostering unity. Mr. Santosh Patil sir, in his heartfelt tribute to the patrons of founders and office bearers, encouraged the gathering to build upon the foundation laid by the Saptarishis. The principal of our school, Dr. C.B. Patil sir, addressed, "Together we can build upon the foundation that has been established, maintaining our bonds and deepening our faith." Children's Day. It was a festive mood in our school on 14th November 2024 as we were celebrating Children's Day. It was declared as an ethnic day. Someone could see shades of different colors as everyone were in the colorful attire. A lively program was organized by the teaching and non-teaching staff of the school, with commenced songs sung by teachers, a skit by our enthusiastic teachers. Master Anjan delivered a speech on the importance of the celebration. Mr. Basavaraj Kademani sir gave his speech on the importance of Children's Day. Dr. Smriti Hawal, the chief guest, Dr. Smriti Hawal, shed light on the importance of taking care of children during their childhood, physically and mentally. Dr. C.B. Patil sir motivated every student to grow well and grow with confidence, compassion, and courage. The orientation session was simultaneously held for the girl student of the school. Dr. Smriti Hawad, a renowned research person working tirelessly educating the girl's mind, was invited. The discussion had a meaningful impact on promoting awareness and health habits for the girls. Kanakadasa Jayanti celebration. Kanakadasa Jayanti was literary club activity celebration. Literary club activity on the topic of emotions. A skit on 16th November 2024 on the topic of emotions was presented by our fellow mates Miss Myra, Miss Nafisa, Miss Aradhya Japgol, Miss Anvi and Master Arav on the topic emotions to recognize the impact of relationships and social interaction. Mrs. Kushi delivered her introductory speech on the particular topic. The students were guided and trained under the experts of the subject. Kanakadasa Jayanti celebration. Kanakadasa Jayanti celebration was celebrated in our school on 18th November 2024. Teaching and non-teaching staff paid tribute to Kanakadasa celebrating his 537th birth anniversary celebration. The celebration began with the portrait worship to Kanakadasa. Mrs. P.R. P.R.T. ma'am delivered a speech on Kanakadasa's life history. Dr. C.B. Patil sir, the principal of our school, encouraged the nurturing love for Dasa literature. Mrs. Gayatri Kurni PRT presented Kanakadasa Kirtane and Miss Aishwarya Ganachari PRT hosted the program. The entire program was organized by the primary section teachers. Science Club on 23rd November 2024, various competitions were held for the grades nursery to 7. An inter-house tug-of-war competitions was held for the grades 4th to 7th. The little toddlers of kindergartners enjoyed the movie day on 23rd November 2024. Simultaneously, the balloon decoration competition was held for the grades 1 to 4 and tissue crown making competition was held for the grades 5 to 7. Kindergarten's movie day at school. The little rockstars of KLE Srimati Malutai Shivaputri Shirkoli School, Sankeshwar, spent a part of the day watching a fully morally themed children's movie on 23rd November 2024. The session of watching the movie with peers and other kindergartners instilled a sense of togetherness, mutual respect, and coordination among each other. Science club activity on balanced diet. Enthusiastic members of our school had presented a club activity on why to eat a balanced diet. They were trained under the supervised guidance of the science department teachers of our school. It was a skit to recognize the importance of balanced diet in everyone's eating routine habit. Constitution Day. On 26 November 2024, Constitution Day was celebrated. It is more than a document. It's the guiding light for our nation's progress and become of hope for crores. The masters and the members of Yellow House paved the path to organize and accompany the celebration. Mr. Sangmesh Hiremat sir, in his address, emphasized the human resources and pivotal leaders involved in the creation of nation's constitution. The school picnic day. The school picnic day provides a great opportunity to the children to experience the cherish and wonderful experiences. The picnic was held for the grades nursery to 7 for different places like Durdundeshwar Mata, Arbhami Mata, Gokak Falls, Shirur Dam, Samangad, Ramling Temple, Rameshwar Temple. The theistic journey to Swami Vivekananda Ashrama, Jain Basti, Kamal Basti, Samangad Fort, Yogi Kola, Hill Garden, Kaveri Garden, Shippur, Stavanidhi, Belagavi, and many more. All the teaching and non-teaching staff accompanied the students enjoyable and safe picnic. The laughter, bonding, excitement made the picnic memorable day for all. On 30th November 2024, various competitions were held grade-wise. Story narration competition was held for the grades LKG and UKG. It was a exciting theme-filled event with stories, learning, and the joy of storytelling. Additionally, grandparents remedy for illness competition was held for the grades 1 to 3 and tissue paper art making competition was held for the grades 4 to 7. Kannada club activity. Kannada club activity was presented under the guidance of Kannada department teachers of our school. To promote our district, Namma Jille, Namma Hemme, to promote the greatness of our district, Belagavi. Thank you.